Hi everyone, I hope that you all are good and fine. So in today's session, we will solve this question number 6 of exercise 11.1. Question number 6 is stating a wire is in the shape of a rectangle. One wire is there which is in the shape of rectangle. Okay, so its length is given as 40 centimeter and breadth is given 22 centimeter. Okay, so what we will do, first we will make one rough figure of this given information, students. Okay, one wire is there which is in the form of rectangle. So let us make here one rectangle. Suppose this wire is there, okay, whose length is given how much? 40 centimeter and breadth is given 22 centimeter. Okay, now if the same wire is rebent in the shape of a square, what will be the measure of each side? Okay, so same wire is rebent in the shape of a square, है ना? So let us make one here a square. Or if we are see, actually I am having shortage of space, that's why I am not going to make it, but I hope that you are understanding. So same length of wire is there, okay, from which this rectangle has been made. From that same length of wire one square is made. Okay, so the question is asking you that what will be the length of its each side, means each side of the square. तो यहाँ पे मैं आपको बताता चलूँ स्टूडेंट्स कि ये वायर जो है उससे हम सबसे पहले क्या बना रहे हैं? रेक्टेंगल बना रहे हैं, एंड देन अगेन वी आर रीबेंटिंग स्क्वायर विद द लेंथ ऑफ द सेम वायर. सेम वायर के लेंथ से, लंबाई से हम स्क्वायर बना रहे हैं. तो इस केस में क्या होगा? दोनों की पेरीमीटर, यानी कि पेरीमीटर ऑफ दिस रेक्टेंगल एंड पेरीमीटर ऑफ द स्क्वायर विल बी इक्वल. सो व्हाट वी विल डू, फर्स्ट वी विल फाइंड आउट द पेरीमीटर ऑफ दिस रेक्टेंगल. ओके, सो आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट माई सॉल्यूशन स्टूडेंट्स. सो हियर स्टार्टिंग माई सॉल्यूशन. हियर गिवन डेटा, व्हाट आर गिवन डेटा? हियर गिवन data. What is given, students? Length L is equal to how much? 40 centimeter. Okay, breadth B is given how much? 22 centimeter. So by formula here we will calculate by formula. Here perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B. Okay, now here we will put the value of length and breadth and we will calculate the area of this rectangle. Very simple. Okay, now 2 into, in place of L we will write 40 because it is given in the question. In place of B we will write here how much? 22, because this is also given in the question. Now solve this bracket first, students. So 40 plus 22, it will become 62 perhaps, right? Right. Okay, now multiply this 62 by 2, you will get how much? 2 2s are 4, 6 2s are 12. So this is the perimeter of the rectangle, students. Now same length of the wire is again rebent in the shape of a square. उसी लेंथ की उसी वायर की लेंथ से हम स्क्वायर बनाते हैं. तो स्क्वायर की भी जो पेरीमीटर होगा वो रेक्टेंगल के पेरीमीटर के बराबर होगा. सो हियर आई एम गोइंग टू फाइंड आउट द perimeter of a square is equal to how much, students? 4 into a. We know that perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into a. This is the formula for finding out the perimeter of a square. Okay, now here we will put this value 124. Why? Because same length of wire is rebent in the form of a square, है ना? तो यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे? 124 will be equal to 4 into a, that is perimeter of the square. Now if you will calculate here, this is simple equation, students. If you will calculate a from here, then you will have to divide both side by 4. Okay, now this 4 will cancel here. 4 3s and 4 1s. So here you get a is equal to how much? 31, and its unit will be centimeter because length and breadth of the rectangle given centimeter. So its unit will be centimeter, and this a is nothing but you can see the side of the square. In formula, ये formula में हमारा ये a क्या है? Side of the square. Okay, so just we calculated the value of each side of the square as how much, students? 31 centimeter. Now next question, next part of the question, also find which shape encloses more area. So for finding out this, now we are having length of the square, okay, length of each side of the square, then we are having length of the rectangle, breadth of the rectangle. So we will calculate the area of both the figure and then we will see which one is enclosing more area. So here I am going to calculate area of rectangle is equal to L into B. Okay, now put here value, students. Here how much is value given? 40 into 22. Length is given 40, breadth is given 22. Now multiply this digit by these digits and followed by 10. Okay, so 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8 followed by 10, and unit will be centimeter square. As I told you, the area is always found out in meter square unit. Square unit. If meter is there, meter square. If centimeter is there, centimeter square. If millimeter is there, millimeter square. If kilometer is there, kilometer square. Okay, so here we got the area of the rectangle as how much? 880 centimeter square. Now we will calculate the area of the square. So here I am going to calculate area of a square is equal to side square, है ना? That is side into side, you can say. Now side just we calculated as how much? 31. So 31 into 31. Now multiply them. So here I am going to calculate, students. 31 into 31 I am going to multiply here. 31 into 31, 1 1 ja 1, 1 3 ja 3, then here 0, then here 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9. So here 1, here 9, here 9. No, 3 3 ja 3 plus 3 6. Correct? 3 1 ja 3 3 ja 9. So here if you will multiply 31 into 31, students, you will get 961. So here I am going to write equals to 961 and its unit also will be in centimeter square. So just we calculated, students, that area of rectangle is 880 centimeter and area of the square is 961 centimeter square. So you can easily identify, you can easily judge, you can easily determine that which one is enclosing more area. The figure which will have more area will enclose more area. So a square will enclose more area. Here you have to write one sentence that since the area of a square is more, hence a square will enclose more area. Okay, so this was your question number 6, students. I hope you might have understood, and thank you for connecting with me.